Hi, this is Flash for the Daily Drive. Today I want to talk about Handyman Insurance. Is there a need for Handyman Insurance? Yes. Do some people not have insurance? Yes. There are many reasons why a business would start out with no insurance. First of all, there's no, we've talked about this before, that there are no state regulations for a handyman other than dollar amount. There's there's no big brother telling them, get insurance, you have to have insurance to operate. However, getting insurance protects not only you, not only the homeowner, but it protects you and your family. It separates your business so that no matter what happens, your family livelihood, your home, what you have at home is not affected by what happens. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe it's not, but things do happen, and especially if you have guys working with you that you can't control everything they do. So it's always better to get insurance. Is it expensive? It's not really expensive. It's not as expensive as some people think, and most of the time a homeowner is willing to pay a little bit more if you're insured and you're properly set up, because it gives them peace of mind. Going into it, if a homeowner thinks that you're not insured and everything's going to fall in their homeowner policy, that there's a little there's uneasiness for that, and you'd be surprised that you can raise your rates to accommodate what it's going to cost you in insurance and without skipping a beat. So so as far as cost wise, it's better to have insurance. Can you get insurance? You can get insurance no matter where you are. We can help you get insurance. We can help you, we can line you up with a carrier or an agent that can find you the insurance that fits your needs, the type of work that you want to perform, how many years you've been in business, what your gross sales are. All of these play into what you're going to pay for your insurance. Some carriers won't cover more than less than $1 million coverage. They won't insure you for less than that. But some carriers will. And if you live in an area where the average home cost is $350,000, then maybe you don't need to start out with $1 million coverage. But I'm going to tell you that more is better, and it really is inexpensive compared to everything else that you're going to be doing. Insurance should not be a stumbling block. So now, getting insurance, I've been getting a lot of emails and calls lately from members saying that they've been told and that they're having problems, and that they've heard that you can't get insurance in California and Nevada. Well, I'm going to tell you right now that that is false. We can help you get insurance no matter where you are. It's just knowing the right things to say, and when you're filling out your form. Recently we had a member that was turned down by a national insurance company because when they described their business and what they wanted to do, and the fact that they had zero experience, the insurance company turned them down. So knowing what to say and what to put, not getting ahead of yourself, is very important. Start out, if you're just in business, start out just doing the basic things, and being realistic, and get yourself insured. Be one of those handyman businesses that that wants to show that you're responsible, and that you actually consider yourself a businessman and not just a repairman, and get insurance. And we're here to help. The United Handyman Association, we can help you get insurance. Like I said, it's knowing who to call and what to say. This was Flash to the Daily Drive. Have a nice day. Happy home repairs.